Good day, Sir Palya. This video presentation is all about a presentation of hydrothermal vents. So before we start, we have a history about hydrothermal vents. In 1997, scientists made a stunning discovery on the bottom of the Pacific Ocean that forever changed our understanding of planet Earth and life on it. A scientist who discovered hydrothermal vents, his name is Robert Ballard, and it's also discovered the location of the Titanic. Also, they found seafloor vents gushing, simmering, warm, and mineral-rich fluids into the cold dark depths. And to their complete surprise, they found the vents were brimming with extraordinary unexpected life. So in the next slide, how hydrothermal vents form. It's a result of seawater percolating down through fissures in the ocean crust near spreading centers or subduction zones. The cold seawater is heated by hot magma and re-emerged to form the vents. So, ang sabi dito, ang hydrothermal vents ay nabubuo sa ilalim ng dagat, karaniwan sa mga lugar kung saan magtatagpo ang mga tectonic plates. Sa mga lugar na ito, ang magma mula sa ilalim ng lupa ay umaakyat, nag-iinit ng tubig sa mga fissures o bitak sa ilalim ng dagat. Ang mainit na tubig ay magdadala ng mineral mula sa mga bato. Naglalabas na mga ito sa dagat na bumubuo ng mga vents. Ang tubig naman na nagmumula sa vents ay karaniwang naglalaman ng sulfide at iba pang chemical na nagbibigay buhay sa mga natatanging ecosystem. Ito po yung sa next slide naman po, ito po yung mga organisms that can be found near hydrothermal vents. The main families of organisms can be found around seafloor vents are annelids, pogonoporans, gastropods, and crustaceans. With large bivalves, vestimentiferan worms, and eyeless shrimp making up the bulk of non-microbial organisms. So, sa mga hydrothermal vents ay may binubuga silang smoke. Nandito yung isa, yung white smoke of hydrothermal vents. Ito naman yung definition. Ito po yung definition ng white smoke of hydrothermal vent. Lighter hue with minerals such as those containing barium, calcium, and silicon. White smoke or fluid is usually cooler, only 250 to 300 degrees Celsius, and flows more slowly than the black smoke or fluid. Mas malamig yung white smoke pala kaysa sa black smoke. And the chimneys generally are smaller as well. The white color comes from minerals that form when the fluid exits the chimney and mixes with seawater. Yan po yung sa white smoke. Then ito naman po yung sa black smoke of hydrothermal vents. Chimneys form from deposit of iron sulfide, which is black. Then black smoker chimneys emit hot up to 405 degrees Celsius, chemically modified. Then a venting black smoker emits jets of particle-laden fluids. The particles are predominantly very fine-grained sulfide minerals formed when the hot hydrothermal fluids mix with near freezing seawater. So, yun lang po. Thank you.